Transform your home or special occasion into a mesmerizing haven with the Brightown 12-pack LED fairy lights. These 7-foot-long lights, equipped with 20 energy-efficient LEDs, are powered by two CR2032 batteries included and are perfect for both everyday use and holiday decorations. Whether you're creating an enchanting wedding atmosphere or adding a cozy glow to your bedroom, these lights are your ultimate decor companion. The flexible silver wire design allows you to bend and shape the lights however you like. Wrap them around photo frames, mirrors, or plants, or use them for DIY crafts. With their durable, waterproof construction, IP44 rating, these lights are ideal for both indoor and outdoor use. Imagine them twinkling on your patio, in your garden, or as a whimsical accent for your next party or celebration. Safety is paramount with these fairy lights. The low-voltage LED bulbs stay cool to the touch, ensuring worry-free decorating. With a battery life of over 72 hours and high-quality construction, these lights offer long-lasting brilliance without overheating. They're perfect for creating magical moments in any setting, from kids' rooms to elegant holiday displays. Ready to bring a little magic into your life? Click the link in the description below to grab your set of Brightown LED fairy lights on Amazon. Don't forget to like, comment, and share this video for more quality product reviews. Hit that subscribe button for your next great find.